What's the meaning of April Fool's Day? April Fool's Day. April Fool's Day.
April Fool's Day. April Fool's Day. April Fool's Day is an annual holiday celebrated on April 1st. It's a day when people play practical jokes and hoaxes on each other for amusement. The origins of the holiday are uncertain, but it has been widely celebrated in many countries for centuries. The idea behind the pranks is to trick someone into believing something false, then revealing it as a joke. Sometimes the pranks can be harmless, while other times they can be more elaborate and cause embarrassment or even harm. Overall, the day is meant to be a light-hearted way to have fun with friends and family.